Hey guys, welcome back to Family Frenzy Vlogs. Guys, I'm back today because y'all, we have 4 more days. That's right, 4 more days until we are officially Floridians. So yeah, y'all, we've been packing and we've been trying to get everything together, y'all. Like y'all, it's just been crazy. But y'all, we're making it. We're finally making it. Let me show y'all this here. All this stuff is packed up, y'all. All this stuff. This is just a little bit of stuff, but all this stuff is packed up. We took our pictures down and everything. We already got rid of our furniture that was over here. These are just a few chairs, and most of the chairs are actually being thrown away. So yeah, so now I'm pretty much done with all of my appointments. I tried to get in all of our doctor's appointments. I had to go to the dentist today, y'all. I had to get a fill-in. And y'all, every time I go to the dentist, I turn to a 5-year-old kid. The dentist constantly telling me, open your mouth, water, water. I'm like, oh my God. But anyway, yeah, I had to get some filling. So my mouth is kind of sore on the right side. But I took care of that. And yesterday, what did I do yesterday? Y'all, I don't even know. I've been so busy, y'all. I've just been so busy. But yeah, I'm taking my youngest daughter tomorrow. I already signed her out of school and everything. We got to get ready for her transfer. But tomorrow I'm taking her to my parents' grave so that she can get something for Christmas and put it on their grave before we leave and say our goodbyes. Well, I don't really look at it as a goodbye because I know they're with us spiritually, so in spirit form. So I struggle with that a little bit, when we decided to just go ahead and make this move. I struggled with the fact that I kind of like felt like I was leaving them, even though they say to be absent from the body is to be present with the Lord, right? For all those who are religious. But I wasn't like, I was kind of feeling like, I was feeling guilty in a way because I was feeling like I was leaving them, and I struggled with that a lot until like one day I had to actually just think about like, what would my mother and father say to me right now? They would pretty much tell me, to stop and live my life. I'm sure they would tell me that they are not there, which I know, their flesh, may have been left behind and buried here, but they're in spirit form and they are with us wherever we go, right? So I struggled with that for a while, but I'm at peace with it now. So yeah, I'm gonna take Noonie there tomorrow to place her flowers or whatever it is she want to put there. We're gonna go and get something tomorrow and go to the grave. And Lily and Noonie is flying out to Florida on Wednesday. By the way, today is Monday. Yeah, so Lily and Noonie is flying out on Wednesday, and we will be leaving Friday morning, guys. Friday morning. I wanted to like show y'all exactly like videotape myself packing, like in the midst of packing and everything, but it was just so chaotic. I just couldn't do it. I couldn't, but I got y'all from here on out. Yeah, so I just wanted to pop on here, y'all. Let me show y'all what's going on in the kitchen. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so we're going to the kitchen right now. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on over here. Okay, so the kitchen it looked like it's dirty and just crazy, but pretty much everything that's on top of the cabinet, I mean, this is just stuff that's gonna pretty much be thrown away when we do move. But like, it's just little things like our air fryer, the Keurig, and our deep fryer is definitely gonna get cleaned and packed up. We have some seasonings over there that I just have to throw in the box, and like regular stuff like sugar, and that's about it. We're not even taking the microwave. We don't need the microwave, but everything over there is pretty much empty. So right about now, like all let me see, there's anything in here? Just a few little Keurigs, but like all our cabinets, as you can see, is pretty much empty. Everything in here is empty. So our dining room table is gone. This is just a fold-up table over here with some things thrown on it, and yeah, that's pretty much what we're looking like right now. Upstairs it's pretty much empty. It's just our beds upstairs. So yeah, y'all, we're getting it in over here, y'all. We are definitely getting it in. Today I also took a ride. Me and the girls, we went to Jersey City, where the rest of my family is. Jersey City, New Jersey. That's where my siblings are. So I wanted to go over there to see them before we left and everything, spend some time with them. So I feel good that I got a chance to do that. I went to go see my brother and my sister, my nieces, and so on. So I'm really happy. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to pop on here to say hello to y'all and let y'all know I'm gonna be back on here with you guys on Friday on moving day. I'm gonna vlog us loading the truck and all that good stuff. So yeah, y'all, it's finally happening. We're so happy. And right now, y'all, I'm so tired. I'm sure you could tell I'm exhausted. I'm so tired. So I got to make sure that I try and get as much rest as I can, because, you know, we have a long road trip ahead of us in a few days. And the last thing I need to do is like drain myself out, you know. And I was telling Sean as well, like we got a long road trip. So we have to like really be, you know, careful and try not to overexhaust ourselves these last few days. All right, y'all. So I'm going to see y'all later. I'm going to get off now, get me some rest, go to bed, and I'm going to get up in the morning and pretty much going to be right back at it, probably just cleaning and stuff like that. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see you guys in a few days. Take care, be blessed, and stay safe. Love you guys.